If you're ready to take the leap and start your very own 360 and selfie booth business, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and insider advice from #1 Premier 360 Photos. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have coming up. Getting started, we're going to get the custom. We're going to go into the custom size. We're going to figure out what the width and the height is so that we can get it proportioned right. Going to go on to design, and we're going to type in Halloween since we're going to do a Halloween theme. We'll look over what they have here. Let's see what looks good. All right, this one looks cool. Okay, so we're going to start taking out the elements that we don't need. So we'll click on everything that we don't need and kind of come up with a good base or a good frame for what we want our overlay to look like starting off. So I'm gonna get rid of all these words. Don't need that. I like the background, but since it's going to be for the 360, we're not going to need that. So we'll get rid of all that. All right, get rid of all this. I don't know if I want this or not. It's kind of cute. I have to keep thinking. That's the fun about this is you can, make it yours. Take out what you want. I'm gonna add a border here because I like borders on mine. But it's up to you. If the customer doesn't have something in mind, this is a chance for you to use your creativity. So I like this. I'm gonna add another border up here. Line that up right and everything. Okay, all right, everything's lined up. And then we're going to, do like that print there, so we may keep that. Let's see. All right. Yeah, I don't know why I started playing with that because we're not even going to need that. That's all that's going to be. We're going to take all that out. Let's see. Do I want that there? I like these pumpkins. They're cute. So we'll keep that. A lot of the stuff we're not even going to use, All right, let's position that into the front here because we want to see the bats. Bats are Halloween themed, so I want that. Do we want the spider webs? We can put the spider webs there for right now. We can always change it if we don't want to. So it's based, be creative. Do what you want to do. This is yours. This is your creative or your chance to be creative. So pick and choose what you want to do. Like that. No, we're going to get rid of that. Let's see. I like the Halloween here. I think that would be I think that's going to be great. Yeah, we can set that right here. All right. Nope. Let's see. We'll play around a little bit and kind of figure out what we want. Do I like that? Let me see. Yeah. Let's see. I like that there. All right. We'll get rid of that. Let's see. All right. So I've changed my mind. So I think these bats are going to go a lot better than the other ones. You couldn't really see the other ones too much. All right. So we're going to do that. All right. Do I like it? Let's see. All right. Let's line that up. I'm trying to keep in mind that it's going to be a transparent. Okay, so the people are going to be in the middle. So we want to be able to capture as much as possible. So I'm trying to figure out the placement of how I want the words because I don't want to cut off anyone's head. All right, let's see. Do we want that? No, we're going to go ahead and keep that. Let's see. Do we want these here? That might be cute there. All right. So there we are. So now we're going to go and download it. And remember, we need to make this transparent. This background needs to be transparent because the people are going to go in the middle. All right, so we got that. Everything looks good, and we're done. Simple as that. So now we have created our first overlay. Thanks for sticking around with us. If you're ready to take the leap and start your very own 360 and selfie booth business, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and insider advice from #1 Premier 360 Photos. We're here to help you succeed every step of the way.